Before seamless fabrics, before modern lingerie, before everyday comfort became expected, there were knickers. Simple, practical, essential. They were never designed to be seen. They were created to improve comfort, support hygiene, and provide freedom beneath outer clothing. Their story begins in the 19th century, as changing fashions transformed the structure of everyday dress. Earlier undergarments were often bulky, layered, and restrictive. As clothing became lighter and more tailored, a need emerged for undergarments that offered comfort without unnecessary weight. Early knickers were typically made from soft cotton or linen, loose in fit, breathable, and practical for everyday wear. Over time, advances in tailoring introduced improved shaping, elastic materials, and refined construction. The science behind knickers begins with fiber selection. Natural cotton provides breathability, excellent moisture absorption, and softness against the skin. Silk offers exceptional smoothness and lightweight comfort. Modern fabrics such as microfiber, modal, bamboo viscose, and performance blends improve flexibility, drying speed, and durability. Many contemporary designs use circular knitting technology, reducing seams while increasing stretch and comfort. Construction reflects decades of textile engineering. Soft elastic waistbands distribute pressure evenly. Flat seams minimize friction. Reinforced gussets improve durability and hygiene. Precision stitching enhances fit without restricting movement. Every detail serves both comfort and function. Throughout the 20th century, knickers evolved alongside changing lifestyles. Advances in synthetic fibers expanded design possibilities. Improved manufacturing increased accessibility. Fashion introduced countless cuts, from full briefs to bikinis, hipsters, high-waisted styles, and seamless designs. Each reflected changing preferences while maintaining the garment's essential purpose. Psychologically, knickers represent confidence through comfort. Though rarely visible, they influence how clothing fits, how people move, and how they feel throughout the day. Their importance lies not in being noticed, but in quietly performing their role. Modern manufacturing continues advancing. Organic cotton reduces environmental impact. Recycled fibers conserve resources. Seamless knitting minimizes waste. Laser cutting improves precision. Digital quality inspection ensures consistency. The future combines sustainability with ever-improving comfort. Today, knickers are among the most universal garments in the world. Their appearance has changed. Their materials have evolved. Their construction has become increasingly sophisticated. Yet their purpose remains remarkably constant. Every carefully woven fiber reflects textile innovation. Every precisely engineered seam supports everyday comfort. Every thoughtfully designed garment reminds us that some of the greatest achievements in clothing are the ones working quietly, out of sight,